Yeah, I had to, whoa, I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to win. Any L I took right on the chin. Roll the dice, how we do it all in. Don't y'all know all that hate is a sin? Yeah, I feel like Jeremy Lin. I wasn't supposed to be here. Vision blurry, now I see clear. Put the work in, now it's all yeah. Tell me why they big man. Your baby mama, a big fan. I'm just tryna live that, get that. Tell me how I get that. I just take my time with it. Yeah. Slow grind with it. Yeah. Now they on my line with it. Tell them how I'm feeling. Yeah. And it's still no handouts. Get money, baby, this shit in my hands now. Really rockin' cause I'm feeling like a man now. Put work in, watch out what I'm playing now. Build it up. Build it up.
Yeah, el mismo.
I just say,
Yeah.
build it up. Fuck 'em all. Build it up.
Si ya se lo van a llevar.
I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to.
Oh yeah.
But
Not bad.
before it lost, no, I mean that's how it's supposed to be.
Right there. Like brand new. Right there. Yeah. See that right there?
Yeah.
Usually it's got all sorts of dings in there from Waukegan or North Chicago. It's got all beat to shit. Look at that radiator cap. It's like brand new looking.
I think they probably, if it looks brand new, I brought it.
Okay, that is.
That bitch, these motherfuckers, they don't even feel like, had a horse in this bitch.
It's hard to believe to see the old school shit. The last, that's not the stock wing nut. It's black. They lost it, so they had to get another one.
Yeah, that's new.
Yeah.
Yeah, I paid for this too. I brought like a lot of shit, brand new.
Oh, it's fuel injected. That's right. It's throttle body. Look, they didn't have that on there, right? Oh, fuck. Stupid. Throttle body. It'll run better. That's fuel injected, not carburetor.
How much you think I can get for the motor?
So bring the jumper over. We'll try it. See if it starts.
I've been waiting for you to tell me that just to be I'll check it.
Build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to build it up. I play to win, not to run up. This shit finesse, it was never luck. I feel so bad for them boys who stuck. I had to win. Any L I took right on the chin. Roll the dice, how we do it all in. Don't y'all know all that hate is a sin? Yeah, I feel like Jeremy Lin. I wasn't supposed to be here. Vision blurry, now I see clear. Put the work in, now it's all yeah. And tell me why they big man. Your baby mama, a big fan. I'm just tryna flip that, get that. Funny how I did that. And I just take my time with it. Yeah, slow grind with it. Yeah, now they on my line with it. Tell them how I'm feeling.